Should you skip A plus? Should you skip one of the most important certifications that's going to give you the best foundation that you could possibly have to make sure that you know how to do the job? It can set you up for success with future promotions, with future jobs, making more money. Should you skip A plus? If you don't have that much time, no, you shouldn't skip it, man. You should not skip it. I found that people that have the best foundation, have the most long lasting careers, when they get laid off, it's not that big of a deal. They always can find a job. They almost are never unemployed. They don't have to worry about where they're going to work. Always had a strong foundation and always had an entry level certification. And that entry level certification, 9 times out of 9 times, was A plus. This is Rob from PassTechCerts.com, and I help people just like you pass A plus, a bunch of other certifications, and start rewarding tech careers. So listen, year after year after year after year, this is a discussion that comes up. Man, should I get A plus? Is A plus still worth it? Yes. I've been doing this for almost a decade, right? Specifically with Master IT, and it's still the same. And the good thing about A plus, it gets updated. So if somebody tell you, oh, it's just hardware and software, what the hell does that even mean? Right? What does that mean? It's a bunch of different things. It's every damn thing. Hardware, software, coding, cybersecurity, networking, AI, and most importantly, right? You're going to learn all the fundamental stuff. You're going to have a good time. You're going to learn all these skills. And most importantly, employers that can give you a job, that can help you provide for your family, help you get a bag, they give a damn about A plus. They care about it a whole hell of a lot. And then A plus is actually a stackable certification, meaning that if you get A plus, it's going to make Network Plus easier. If you get Network Plus, which is a stackable certification as well, you can get Security Plus. And with those certifications, is almost makes you unstoppable when it comes to getting interviews, getting all this other stuff. And one of the biggest things is this: you have to do two things. You have to pass A plus, of course, right? A lot of you that's the even more messed up part is a lot of you are even scared to even take the damn test, right? You're scared to take the test, right? You're waiting, you've been waiting a year or two, whatever the hell, and you'll never see these opportunities because no matter what nobody tell you, no matter what motivational shit you listen to, no matter what you what your pastor say, what your sensei say, what your mama say, you gotta have these certs, man. I said you gotta have these certs, man. Without these certs, it's over with. I've been saying this for years and it has not changed. Oh, what about AI? What about it? Oh, what about these jobs from overseas? What about them? Oh, what about all these layoffs? What about them? You have to listen to people that are actually in the trenches and actually doing what you want to do, not just a bunch of random people in the comments. Losers run the internet. A loser will have you thinking that it's like literally, it's over with. It's the end days. Armageddon is coming. Fucking, it's gonna be T-800s walking down the street. If that reference doesn't ring a bell with you, the T-800 is a robot with a metal skeleton with skin on the top of it. It was made famous by this guy named Arnold Schwarzenegger. He was the first Terminator, just so you know, before all this AI shit happened. But anyway, people that want to win are going to win. Long story short, right? People that want to get A plus are going to get A plus. So another thing is this: stop just saying stuff just to say stuff. Did you know that the A plus costs money to take? Did you know that? Did you know that the CompTIA isn't a charitable organization? Neither is Master IT. But You have to pay money, and it's a two-part exam. And I want to say right now the exam is going to probably run you about what, $600, $700 if you take it on your own and take both parts. Because A plus is a two-part exam. And most exams are going to have 90 questions. So there's 90 questions on the first part, 90 questions on the second part. If you fail either part, you are not A plus certified, right? So let's say that you pass the second part, I'm going to start applying for jobs. Hell no. Or let's say that you pass the first part, I'm going to start applying for jobs. Hell no once again. Nobody cares about having to have the certification. You got to have the whole thing, man. The whole thing, right? And it costs money. So this is one of the reasons that a lot of our students, decide to go through our A plus training. Now, the A plus training is not cheap. It's expensive. It's very expensive. I want to say it's almost it's either $1,000 or $2,000. I can't remember. But that training guarantees that you pass A plus and you get 2 vouchers with it, right? Now, can you do this on your own? I don't know you, but I'm going to say no. But if you want to do it on your own, you can. But just know that, you're going to have that money. Also, the A plus is going to be a lot different than other exams because it's not just questions and answers. You actually have to do stuff, right? So it has something called PBQs or performance-based questions, meaning that XYZ is broken and you have to actually fix it, whether it's a wiring issue, a networking issue, a server issue, a router issue, whatever it is, it's actually buttons you got to press, code you got to put in, stuff you got to know, right? So if you're just memorizing questions and answers, no bueno, right? And then let's say that somehow you memorize all the questions and answers. Guess what you can't memorize? You ain't going to be able to memorize what they're going to ask you in an interview, right? And let's say if somehow all the stuff go cool and you get a job, your ass will get fired. If you get in there and you just wasted these people's time and they start training you and you don't know common shit, go ahead and run IP config and you don't know what the fuck they talking about. Simple shit, right? Okay. Oh, this got a 169 IP address. What? Okay. So what does that mean? Oh, that probably means that we're gonna have to duplicate and deduplicate the radius of the circumference. Man, get his badge, and get him the fuck up out of here, man. Right? So understand, man. A plus is definitely worth it, but it's not easy, right? It's not easy, and even though I got programs that students are enrolling in right now that cost a lot of money. I'm not just telling you that just because of, I'm not saying, hey, you need to get some training just because of that. If you're getting our shit, great. If you don't, I don't really give a damn. But you need to get into something. Because I'm telling you, man, trying to do this shit on your own, it's gonna be pretty tough. Pretty tough. But listen, A plus, I would recommend getting it. Taking the first part first and the second part second. So core 1 and then core 2. And another thing is I would say don't give yourself any more than 30 days. If you're finding that you're studying more than 30 days, you're either using the wrong stuff, something ain't right. It's take my guys and my girls 30 days to get this shit over with. And why the short timeline? Because I want you to get to some money. You ever been to Hawaii? Huh? If you don't get that reference, shame on you too. But listen, the money, the opportunities, the doors that open are tremendous after A plus, right? Because like I said, if this was different, if times changed, cool, but they haven't. You gotta have these certifications, man. You have to have these certifications to really get to what you want to get to, especially if you're transitioning, because that's usually who I help, people that are transitioning from something completely different from tech and they get into tech, right? This is the easiest road to get to some of those opportunities. So let's say that you have no idea what the hell to do right now. You can also, because like I said, I want to make shit as simple as possible for everybody to have this shot to get into tech. In the description, you can go to passtechcerts.com or click the link in the description. We have a free tech career quiz, right? It'll tell you what lane in tech is best for you. and also what certifications line up with that. So if you want any help passing A plus, you can watch our full A plus playlist right here on YouTube for absolutely free. Or if you want to pass in 30 days, you can head over to passtechcerts.com and enroll in our A plus program. Other than that, have a great day, and I'll see you in class.